I am totally gonna film this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be completely honest with you. The epoxy I'm using to glue that baby together, it's like some old
stuff that I got from Walmart.
Don't put, okay, maybe don't put that on there. No, they're never gonna see it. Wait, the people at work see this?
Yes.
Okay, so we get this epoxy that's maybe from somewhere, from a okay, so we get this epoxy from Dale, our buddy, and you're not allowed to know about it, but I'll tell you what, it's like ancient airplane crap for gluing together airplane parts.
That's the old glue that Boeing uses to hold the wings off.
Yeah. So anyway, it's like
on the 737 back.
yeah, that's why they're falling out of the air and killing people. But what we're saying is this is like ancient epoxy that's 1,000,000 years old, and that's why they aren't using it. So we were finding that it really was a big. Hang on, people. I got one with a glued cap on. I'll find a note. We got a few of them in the Budweiser drawer. All right, so it's freaking stiff as heck when we stick it in the mixing gun, right? So what we gotta do is we take our handy dandy heat gun and heat this crap up. I'm sure this is the horrible camera work is showing, but heat this baby up, and you want the label to be smoking, you know, a bit. And when you get the label nice and cooked, that's when you can tell that it'll come out of the mix tip super easy, because it's got to go through this tiny little straw mix tip, and before it was a bear to get that out. And you know, when we're doing like a lot of these things, it feels like it's gonna break the little gun. So yeah, and by the way, for you guys, if you want to do this crap, these little turds we're using, EC2216, they're like 50 bucks a piece. So I wouldn't get this unless I got it for free, which is what I did. So yeah, anyway, wait, so the guys at work watch these videos? You're saying that the guys at work watch these? Does anybody care about them there? Oh, okay. They're just like, oh yeah, Jacob does jet ski stuff, that's great. He's still alive. I wish he still worked here. Yeah. All right, people. I'll maybe show you more, but this is not something that I can film right this second. See? There we go. There's a big gap in this thing actually. And I'm not gonna clamp it tight because yeah, it'll put a weird bend in the side of the ski or something. Maybe you have a different opinion, but I'm doing this. All right, guys, yeah, just another tip. Got this thing smoldering hot. The rubber band is basically melted to the whole assembly. And this is definitely the easiest work that I have had to do on this ski yet. And so I'm really enjoying it, and it's great. Yeah, get it. Some spots are a little tighter than others, as you can see, but this is boring probably to watch, but I'll show you a little bit. Yeah, get it. There's a bee here, and it's November, and I'm fighting the bee with this heat gun, trying to melt that baby out of the sky. Oh, it's okay. I think the bee has finally said, I'm getting the heck out of here. Some crazy guy with a heat gun is trying to blast me. That's how we do it here. Okay. Where does he go? As soon as I get the camera out, as soon as I get the heat gun out, he's gone. Sick of having this guy bugging me while I'm doing my stuff. Glued up, and I used about 20 of these things, I think. There's about 11 here, and I think we used about 9 or 10 when we initially glued the halves together. So yeah, it's a lot of epoxy. And we did it, and it's glued. And we're having tape on this thing so that the glue doesn't run. And we want to tell you right now from the bottom of, well, I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, watch all of our crappy content and all of our stinking videos, and thumbs up this thing, and subscribe, do all that, buy our merchandise crap so I can quit my stinking job. Because we all want to quit jobs. Rob wants to quit his job. We all want to just quit our job. So make it so that this channel makes us so much money that we can quit our job. And that is what I gotta say.